After cleansing the face, now we're going to use the Celltweet Double X Signal Pad. This is very interesting. So you open it and you will see there's a pair of tweezers inside of it. So you first remove this and take a single pad. Right, you will see in the pad we have two surfaces. The first surface with the little bubbles, and then you turn it over. That's the clear surface. So first of all, I'm going to use the little bubbles to exfoliate my face. This is the exfoliating side. You can use it even on the lips and on the eyes as well to have a gentle exfoliation, and on the neck area. So that's the exfoliating side. Now I will turn it over and use the smooth side, which is infused in exosomes. So that's the second step of using my Celltweet X Signal Pad. Over the lips again to hydrate the lips, and around the eyes, the forehead and the neck. And I will do this morning and evening.